everybody, it is Sandy and I am coming to you with a Dollar Tree haul. And I got everything in here. Boring and fun. I just left it in the bag for a day until I could get to this. I got a couple of these holders for paper towels, and I've seen people before using these for like washi tape, so that's what I thought I might try this for. There's just a few rolls that I do use a lot, so I think that these will come in handy for that. Way out of focus. There we go. Alright, finally, they had my Scrubbies that I use. My son, this is going to sound gross, and I think it's gross too. He loves mozzarella cheese. So we get shredded mozzarella cheese. We usually always have shredded mozzarella for pizza and also shredded cheddar. Well, he takes the shredded mozzarella and he puts it in a bowl and he melts it and he just eats it like that with a fork. And then he leaves the bowl sit in his room. And it gets hard and crusty and gross. And so it has to soak. And then once it soaks, you've just got this film around the edge. And so these work perfect for getting that off. And I do have some Norwex microfiber cloths and things like that, but I don't want to get, there's just so much cheese on it. I'm afraid to ruin it. Told you. I'm filming downstairs, and she's on the window, which is right there. Come here. Settle down. Okay. There she is. Okay, so anyway, these I can use and just pitch, and I don't have to worry about sticking in the wash and getting that crud in my wash. So, yeah, I use those. Also, my gloves that I always get. And the same sponges that I always get. And let's see if there's any other things that are just stuff. What's that? Oh, these I don't always get, but I love using these little covers. Work better. I just think they work better than cellophane. And I think there's some other uses for these too. And I'm going to have to look that up again though. So I got these because I knew in my head that there was something else I wanted to use them for. And so I'm going to stash one away and put it with my craft stuff. And then this one's going to go in the kitchen. And this is actually for my son. So he quits using my loofah. This is for the dog. Ooh. I don't have a scissors. I'd cut it and she'd go play with it. She's up there looking out the window. Expect to bark. Utterly Smooth. That's also my son's. I don't have a spatula like this. It's kind of got that curved on there. And I've been doing lots of cooking and stuff in a nonstick pan. So I thought this would be a nice addition to the kitchen tools. I did find one washi that I wanted. I have been kind of good. I go there and I look at the washi and I don't just automatically take every single one off that little hanging jobby. I look at them and think, do I not have this color? Blah, blah, blah. So anyway, I got this one and it's kind of got a variance of yellow, orange, and green. And that's kind of a different color than I think I have. There's other people walking their dog. Toto. Yeah. And then I picked up these. This is a different color than they've had of these. We use these as our chip clips, so I picked up those. Toto. I am so sorry. I bet that was super loud. My son came on. I don't know if you heard him. What he said. But we've got her calm down. She's right here. Say hello. Toto, say hello. Yeah, so we're hoping we'll be good if she's here on my lap over here. Okay, so another thing I got were these gel clicks. These look kind of nice. Where did I see? I think these were hanging up as we were walking out. So yeah, and they're different colors too. They're all the different colors in there. So it's pens. I gotta try some more. All right, and then they had this nice pack of these like card holders or whatever you want to call them, but usually it's only 2, and you got 3 in there. And I use these at the daycare for little things, and in my preschool we put some manipulatives in there. So I got that color, and I got a green this time. And did I get a blue? Maybe I didn't get a blue. Well, we'll see as we go through. Ooh, are you sniffing something in there for you? Along the lines of containers, I pick up these. I use the pink one. These are for my the jewelry stuff I do. I put my findings in there, which is your jump rings and your what do you call them? Your lobster claw clasps and all that sort of stuff go in there. And then, oh, and then I have some of these too, and I picked up some more. The kids love these, and it's a good thing for them because they can actually open them. They need a little bit of help sometimes getting it back on because where you clip it, it kind of goes in a little bit, so they have to get used to that fact. But they just love, I put like erasers in here, the erasers they have at the Dollar Tree, the kind of bigger ones with the fun shapes on them, and I think they come in like, there's 2 of them in there, so it's like a matching game for them. They just love it. We turn them all upside down, and they kind of get a handle of looking at the shape, which I love that they're able to figure that out in their little heads. So that's just one of the made-up things that I've done. Then I got, oh, this is for the daycare too. It's a mirror. So I got this to put up on where our paper towels come down, and so they can see themselves, like when they have a dirty face and stuff like that. It's better than they go up there, they get their little towel, they come down the stool, they have to walk over to the house area that's got the mirror in it. So I'll have this mirror duct tape up there, and they can just look at their face right there on the stool by the water. I got myself some more hair ties. And, oh, and I got myself a new lanyard. So it has got, like, coffees on it and donuts. So I'm going to be wearing that for the summer. Nothing else in this bag. Oh, yeah. I thought I'd try these. I've seen a lot of people haul these before, these freeze-dried strawberries. So I thought I'd try them and see what they taste like. Let's try one right now. Let's try one right now. Oh, they're kind of big. Those are delicious. Wow. All right, I'm going to go get those in a Ziploc bag. Good and hard. I wonder what they taste like if you got them a little soft in something. Probably gross, but wow. I wasn't expecting like a whole strawberry. Good, good, good. And then I got a couple of these pencil cases. These were over in the back to school aisle. So it comes with 2. You got a pink one and you've got this one. And then I also got these 2 little makeup pouches, and these are actually going to be used as giveaways. I've got a video, and I'm not sure which one's going to post first or which one you'll see first, but there's a video about my a business I just started, and I've got a launch party going right now in my VIP group. So this is one of the little prizes I'll probably be giving away, filled with some stuff in it. One more bag. This I'm taking to the daycare. Okay. In my room during the summer, it's called the green room. And so that's why I got the green top. So everyone will know this is green rooms. And I'll probably still end up writing green room on here too. But in the summer, it's just fun to go outside and we fill this up, and the kids just, they adore it when you just squirt them. You go around and you squirt them. Some don't like it, but some really do like it. And it just keeps them a little, you know, a little bit of fun in there. And then when it's so hot and warm and muggy, they like that too. A couple of things here for the dog. I think I showed you the toy already. I got her new bowl for her water. It's just black on it. And I got her a couple snacks. We got some T-bones. And these are different ones that she hasn't had. And these are turkey strips from Gravy Train. So I think those are pretty reputable names. Oh, I did get one other cleaning thing. I want to clean my stove. And, oh, and another one of these scissors. Love this scissors, but it keeps disappearing from my kitchen. So, and then it comes back and it's gross. I don't know what my son or my husband use it for. So I got a second one and I'm going to find a place to put it. And then, hey, there's another one of these things. I only got two. I bet my son stuck one in there. All right, well, I think that is all that I got. So I'm excited. I think I'm going to go try these pens. If anybody has tried these pens before, I don't know if you can see the name of them. Get me out of the picture. There we go. If anyone's tried those, let me know. I'd like to know what you think about them. But I'll be using them soon, I'm sure. So that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like seeing hauls, please hit that little notification and subscribe, and or you don't have to do both if you don't want. I'd like it if you do, and if you give me a thumbs up. And I hope to see you back again real soon. Have a great day.